You meet someone and feel that electric spark. Your heart races. Time slows down. 6 months later, you're scrolling through your phone while they talk about their day. What happened to that fire? The harsh truth is that chemistry was never meant to last. Your brain literally gets high from new romantic encounters, flooding you with dopamine and norepinephrine. This cocktail makes everything feel magical. You see their quirks as charming. Their stories captivate you. You hang on every word. Science calls this the attraction phase. It lasts about 18 months maximum. Your brain cannot sustain this chemical high indefinitely. The crash feels devastating because you mistake this fading intensity for dying love. You panic. You wonder if you chose wrong. You start comparing your relationship to those early days or to other couples who seem more passionate. Social media feeds your doubt with highlight reels of other people's supposedly perfect romances. Here's what nobody tells you. Chasing chemistry is like chasing your own shadow. The harder you run toward it, the more it eludes you. Real connection operates on completely different principles. Connection builds slowly through shared struggles, vulnerability, and consistent care. Chemistry makes you feel good about yourself. Connection makes you feel known. Chemistry needs novelty and uncertainty. Connection thrives on safety and predictability. Psychologist John Gottman spent decades studying what makes relationships last. His research revealed that successful couples don't have more chemistry. They have better friendship foundations. They know each other's inner worlds. They turn toward each other during small moments, not just big romantic gestures. You might feel disappointed learning this. Our culture sells us the chemistry myth relentlessly. Movies end when couples get together, right at the chemical peak. Dating apps optimize for initial attraction, not long-term compatibility. Everyone around you seems to be chasing the next spark. The pressure to feel constantly passionate creates a terrible paradox. The more you expect fireworks, the less present you become in quiet moments of actual intimacy. You miss your partner bringing you coffee exactly how you like it, while waiting for them to surprise you with grand romantic gestures. Think about your closest friendships. You don't question whether you still have chemistry with your best friend. You don't panic when conversations feel routine sometimes. You appreciate their presence without needing constant excitement. Yet somehow we expect romantic relationships to maintain perpetual intensity. Attachment theory explains why this expectation hurts us. People with secure attachment understand that love deepens through reliability, not just passion. They find comfort in predictability rather than anxiety in its absence. Those with anxious attachment often mistake the nervous energy of uncertainty for love itself. The most fulfilling relationships happen when you stop performing passion and start building partnership. You learn to find beauty in ordinary moments. Sunday morning coffee tastes better when shared with someone who truly sees you. Comfortable silence becomes more valuable than constant conversation. This doesn't mean settling for boring relationships. Real connection creates its own form of excitement. Knowing someone completely and still choosing them daily feels more powerful than any chemical rush. Watching them grow and supporting their dreams generates deeper satisfaction than butterflies in your stomach. Consider the couples you admire most. Do they seem constantly intoxicated with each other, or do they seem deeply at peace together? Do they chase drama and intensity, or do they create stability and trust? The couples who last decades often describe their love as coming home. You can still experience moments of intense attraction within secure connection. The difference is these moments feel like bonuses rather than requirements. When chemistry happens naturally within established trust, it feels even more meaningful because it's rooted in genuine appreciation rather than biological programming. Letting go of the chemistry obsession frees you to appreciate what you actually have. Your partner's daily kindness matters more than whether they still make your heart skip beats. Their willingness to work through problems with you indicates better long-term prospects than perfect physical attraction. Many people end good relationships searching for that chemical high again. They mistake comfort for complacency and stability for stagnation. Years later, They often realize they traded something real for something fleeting. The bravest thing you can do is choose connection over chemistry. Stop waiting to feel overwhelmed by passion and start noticing moments of genuine care. Pay attention when your partner listens to your concerns, remembers what matters to you, or supports your goals without being asked. Real love isn't about finding someone who makes you lose yourself. It's about finding someone who helps you become more yourself. Chemistry fades because it was never meant to sustain you. Connection grows because it's built on the foundation of who you actually are, not just how you make each other feel. Your relationship isn't broken because the butterflies left. You're finally positioned to build something that lasts.